Hello students, in Mathematics Part 1, we will continue with Chapter 3, Polynomials. Let us study remainder theorem. There is a relation between the value of polynomial p of x for x is equal to minus a, that is p of minus a, and the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus a. To understand this relation, let's learn the following example. Divide polynomial p of x equal to 4x square minus x plus 2, which is the dividend, by x plus 1, which is the divisor. Here x plus a is x plus 1. On solving by long division method or by synthetic method, we get the quotient equal to 4x minus 5 and remainder equal to 7. Let this be statement 1. Now we will find the relation between the remainder and value of the polynomial as follows. In the dividend polynomial 4x square minus x plus 2, put x equal to minus 1. P of x is equal to 4x square minus x plus 2. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 the whole square minus of minus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equal to minus 1 is 7. This is statement 2. From the statement 1 and 2, the remainder when p of x is equal to 4x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus a, which is x plus 1 here, and the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equal to minus 1, that is p of minus 1, both are equal. Hence we get the following property. If the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p minus a, means it is same as the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equal to minus a. This is known as the remainder theorem. Let us solve practice set 3.5. Question 1. Find the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using given values for x. Subdivision 1, x is equal to 3, and subdivision 2, x is equal to minus 1. Solution for subdivision 1, x is equal to 3. Polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Therefore, p of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. That is equal to 6 minus 2 into 27 plus 7. That is equal to 6 minus 54 plus 7. That is equal to 13 minus 54, and that is equal to minus 41. Answer: for x is equal to 3, the value of the polynomial is minus 41. Question number 1, subdivision 2, for x is equal to minus 1. Solution: p of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 the whole cube plus 7. That is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 7. That is equal to minus 2 plus 2 plus 7. That is equal to 7. Answer: for x is equal to minus 1, the value of the given polynomial is 7. Let us solve question number 2. For each of the following polynomial, find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. Subdivision 2, p of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Solution: p of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. That is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 5, and that is equal to 4. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 4. Now let us solve for p of 0. P of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Therefore P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5, that is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 5, and that is equal to 5. Therefore P of 0 is equal to 5. Now let us solve for P of minus 2. P of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Therefore P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. That is equal to 4 plus 5, and that is equal to 13. Therefore P of minus 2 is equal to 13. Question number 3. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m is equal to 2, then find the value of a. Solution: P of m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a. Therefore P of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. But P of 2 is equal to 12, which is given. Therefore 12 is equal to 8 plus 4 plus a. Therefore 12 is equal to 12 plus a. Therefore a is equal to 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 0. Let us solve question number 6. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by y plus 2 and the remainder is 50, then find the value of m. Solution: P of y is equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, and the divisor is equal to y plus 2. Taking y is equal to minus 2, we get P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube minus 5 into minus 2 the whole square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. Therefore 50 is equal to minus 8 minus 5 into 4 minus 14 plus m, since remainder is equal to 50. Therefore 50 is equal to minus 8 minus 20 minus 14 plus m. Therefore 50 is equal to minus 42 plus m. Therefore m is equal to 50 plus 42. Therefore m is equal to 92. Answer: the value of m is 92. Question number 10. If x raised to 31 plus 31 is divided by x plus 1, then find the remainder. Solution: dividend polynomial P of x is equal to x raised to 31 plus 31. Divisor is equal to x plus 1. By remainder theorem, taking x is equal to minus 1, P of x is equal to x raised to 31 plus 31. Therefore P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to 31 plus 31. That is equal to minus 1 plus 31, and that is equal to 30. Therefore P of minus 1 is equal to 30. Therefore the remainder is 30.